everyone, hope you're doing good. Well, have you ever thought that the most complex problems have a simple solution? Guys, today let's look at through a short story. Once many years ago, there was a farmer and his beautiful daughter and a money lender. So this farmer was having a misfortune of owing a huge amount to a money lender. So what happened was this money lender told him, actually gave him a proposal stating, okay, so if you can actually let me marry your daughter, then I will forego all your dues. Then, you know what? His father was so shocked. He was thinking, how can I even get you married to my daughter? She's too young and you're too old. And how could this be possible? Well, he actually went and spoke with his daughter. His daughter was looking at him and she couldn't say anything, but she just thought, oh dad, what can we do? Then this cunning moneylender, what he did, he actually told, okay, not me. Let's do one thing. Let's go ahead and speak with the village head and let him take the decision. He was a cunning person, right? See what he has done. Now, they actually go into the farmer's field. Well, they're actually standing in the pebble path, the strewn. So what they do is, now this village head says, okay, you owe him so much money, right, to the money lender? All right, let's have a deal. Here is the money bag. Now, this money lender is going to put two pebbles, that is white pebble and black pebble. If the girl chooses black pebble, then she has to marry this money lender, and whatever dues you have, he will forego it, okay? And then he says, what about white? Then this village head says, well, I'm coming to that, just hold on. Then he says, if your daughter picks up white pebble, she need not marry this money lender and your dues would be foregone. Also, in case if your daughter refuses to pick up pebble, then you will have to be jailed, okay? Then this daughter was shocked and they were like, oh my God, what do we do? And then immediately this money lender takes the money bag from the village head, goes ahead and picks up two pebbles. And you know what? You know, right? He's a cunning person. So he actually picks up two black pebbles itself. And then he puts in the money bag and he's coming back to give it to the village head. Now, this girl is very clever. She had an eye on it and she understood that he is actually fooling around. So what she does is, well, I have a question, guys. Just imagine if you were in that position of that girl, what would you do? Okay, in case if you are given a chance to advise this girl on what to do, what advice would you give her? Guys, just remember, we just have three possibilities. First thing is, we can advise the girl to not pick any pebble. But you know, right, if she doesn't pick a pebble, her father will be jailed, right? Second thing, she has to tell everyone that this money lender is a cheat and he actually put two black pebbles. But if she does that, obviously they'll have to pay back, right? And they cannot. And the third possibility is, she has to pick a pebble. Obviously both are black, so she'll end up picking a black pebble and she'll have to sacrifice her life to her father. Okay, guys, don't you think this is like a logical though? But this logical or lateral thinking, do you think it will actually help her? This is not the time, or this is not about logical thinking. Over here, she has to be very clever and think out of box. Exactly. You know what she does? Well, she indeed goes ahead, picks up the money bag. She actually puts her hand into the money bag and she picks the pebble. You know, right? Both are black. And unfortunately, what happens is she fumbles like, oh my God. And she slips off that pebble into the pebble path where all pebbles are there and it actually gets mixed up. Now she says, "Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm afraid." Then everyone around them would start saying, "Oh, shit, she just, man, how can this happen? The pebble is lost. Now, how would we know?" Then this girl, she's clever enough, right? You know what she says? "Why are you even worrying? Well, if you actually look into the money bag, whatever pebble is left out, you would understand which color I picked up, right?" Then the village head says, "Very good girl, I get it." So he immediately goes ahead and takes a sneak peek of the money bag. And then he says, "Okay, there is a black pebble, so it means she picked up a white pebble, right?" And she's pretty much clever, guys. She knows that this moneylender obviously cannot accept his dishonesty, right? So he keeps quiet. And now, who is the winner? The girl or the moneylender? It's a very clever move, right? Exactly, guys. Now that the village head has accepted that she picked up the white pebble, he says, "Dear, you're free from him, and yes, your father need not pay any dues. So you can go ahead." Guys, what do we infer from this story? It's very simple, right? Every complex problem has a simple solution. It is just that we need to think for a moment. That's what we need to always look for, guys. Always think for a moment and then look for the possibilities. Do not get panic, okay? So stay safe, stay home. Thank you.